Wasted childhood.
I always wanted to be in the family, but I never did. I don't
Why?
know why. Super na. Ano ba?
Why the man staring at us? The man is staring at us. The man is staring at us. And does he look like a disappointed father?
He is. Oh, he's probably like, what the fuck is this kid doing?
Sorry. Skibidi yacht. Pake mo ba? Buhay namin to. What are you doing? Why the janitor's disappointed at you? What the hell is this bitch doing? Yeah, leave. Go back to your country. Whoa.
What the fuck is my Instagram on?
Why is it showing the process of being pregnant? How much is that? I want
What juice?
your the green juice. Wait, I can't find the whole of my pocket. Oh, there it is.
How much is that juice?
Burger with drinks.
Oh, the food drink is like 25.
Wow. Oh, what the heck?
Hey, Skibidi Cat Rizzler.
What the heck?
Ito yung picture ko
yan?
dati.
What? You look cute.
I look bad.
What do you mean?
Patikim.
Sige.
Ano to?
No, because you look pretty there.
Yeah, you do.
Bitch. Okay.
Let's babe. It's a motherfucking...
Di kita kilala.
Dapat ka nandito sa akin kung di mo kilala. Putang ina mo. Anong masasabi mo kay Mayan? Putang ina mo, Mayan.
Sino si Mean?
Hindi ko din kilala. Sa'yo ba to?
No.
Ay, like,
Masarap naman siya. Mas masarap pa ako.
real. It rarely gets cold. So like, I do special. Or like if I want to save, I'll just do like parang hanggang sa City Hall lang. So like
Paki mo ba sa buhay ko?
amen. Like 10, 15,
Love you.
love you too, babe. 85, baka 85. Is she going to send photos of me when I was younger?
She's stalking you.
What the actual fuck? She's my dad.
I used to do that too before, when it was the first day of school. I used to stalk you.
Used to what? I'm not gonna lie, Sam. So, first,
My beautiful baby.
ano to? My
My morning
sunshine.
Dot.
Ano to?
You were... Wow.
Gagayahin ko.
Wag na pala. Stop being freaky. Hey, that's kind of freaky.
Freaky.
Sige. Excuse me.
Fucking fly.
Okay.
Here.
I'm
Come here, kitty. Come to daddy.
What the heck? Boy, may mga ano na sila.
Malay mo, baka wala.
Si Sir Rofel.
Tangina mo, bading mo, gago.
Yan ka na naman. Ano?
Hi.
What do you have to say for yourself?
What do I have to say for myself? I love pizza.
Oh, I thought you were gonna. Okay. Wow. What the?
I sometimes I sometimes do my tongue like this. I do it like I do my tongue like this. Whenever I'm drinking something and make it strong. Okay, sorry, it's not my fault that he just came out of here randomly. Like, how am I supposed to know? Like, leaving. Bye.
Where are you going?
Huwag ng pata ko, be. Dito, tinitig. Ay!
Why?
I love you, babe.
What are you doing? Why is he looking at? Please stop.
Sabi na nga ba, dapat dito yung sinuot ko, buwisit eh.
Are you okay?
He's so pretty when he goes down. Ina si Ma'am Shawnee ba yan? Ay,
Ma'am Shawnee! Mas maliit pa yun.
ayaw nga, no, gago. He's a midget.
Real. Wait, me when the characters I decided are gay for each other, don't kiss.
I know, right?
Like us.
Real. Stop.
What?
You were actually my first kiss, talaga.
Wait, we kissed?
Remember?
What?
Noon nasa church tayo,
Nasa church tayo.
nasa labas ng church. Just like our lips accidentally touched, parang ganon.
You're my first kiss.
At least ang ganda ng first kiss.
Nga.
And Will Byers kiss in
Aren't they the same
Stranger
one?
Things 2025.
Yay. Why do you like faggots?
Because I'm a faggot myself.
Understandable.
I realized that almost
Excuse me.
Finn Wolfhard's characters are fucking, kasama sa LGBT.
All of
Not all, most.
it's a sign, you know.
It's a sign of meant to be kami kasi I'm
Ano?
a faggot and he's a faggot too.
Dilute. What? Oh my god.
Stop. Stop.
Which lips?
Both.
Huh?
This one and this one.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, sure. I need them to kiss. Like,
Oh my. Okay.
Seriously, I need them to kiss. Like,
Why do they look like the same person?
This is Finn Wolfhard and Noah Schnapp.
Oh.
They need to kiss.
Bakit?
They need to kiss. They
Okay.
need to be together. They need to
Okay.
kiss.
Okay na.
They need to kiss, okay? Like, they need to kiss in this last season. Like, they need to kiss.
What if at the ending they like, the ending is like them kissing? Okay,